Hello Live Wires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you some more very easy rings to make and sell. This design is inspired by my ring tutorial made with charms. I'll link that up below. And also I'll link up my classic rings to make and sell video in the description below. What you're going to need for this project is 18 gauge wire. I'm using 6mm miracle beads. I have my stepped ring mandrel. You can use a marker or a cone if you want. And I have my tools. To start, I'm using a long piece of wire about 15 inches, and I'm just going to clip the end flush. And I'm going to set up the beads for the rings. So I want to take my round pliers and just twist it around to form a loop. Now this loop has to be big enough that the 18 gauge wire can fit through, and you want that to be flush in there. And then we're just going to put on one of our miracle beads like that. And then you want to cut this end about 3/8 to 1/2 inch. So we're just going to clip that one flush and then take our round pliers, and we need the other loop to be parallel to that one. So we're just going to take the end, we're going to bend it back and around, and the idea is this little end sits flush just inside the end of the bead. So we're going to make a bunch of those with the rest of the wire. So I did a bunch of the beads, and then all you have to do now is just take the loop and just bend it down a little bit on an angle on either side of the bead. So just take that one, bend it a little bit on the angle, make sure that end stays in there, and we're going to do all of these. So you can see these have all been bent down on a bit of an angle so that the bead won't rub against the finger. Now we'll take the leftover wire or cut another piece, and we're just going to wind it around about there, and then we'll bend one end up, and then over here leave space for the bead, and we're going to bend the other end up. You can just keep this to make our next ring, and then we're just going to put it on here and on here. So we have it on here like that, and then we're just going to bend this one. This way we waste a little less wire because we'll clip it flush there. Let's go ahead and clip that one. It's handy to have a little bit of an end to hang on to pull it around. So we're going to bring this one, pull it right around so it's tight, and then we're going to cut that one flush too. And then all you have to do is tuck in your ends. So we're just going to tuck in that end and tuck in that end. Pinch it in a bit if you have to. You have a nice clean finish. I always put it back on the ring cone to make sure it's nice and round. So I used up the rest of the wire, and I have 5 rings, and they're so simple and classic and very quick and easy to make. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.